What's up YouTube? Welcome back to DIY Beard. My name's Jez and I'm the man behind the beard. Now today we're answering an important question, and is the channel going to survive COVID-19? Right then guys, and welcome back to the DIY Beard. Now, as you are probably all aware right now, we are in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic, and here in the UK, Boris Johnson, our lovely Prime Minister, has decided, and rightly so, to put some further restrictions on what we are able to do in the UK in the effort to try and beat this pandemic. Now, unfortunately for me, that means we're not able to get out and about on the bike. He has made it so that there is non-essential travel to be taken place during this time, which means we're not able to go and visit some dealerships. We're not able to go out on rides, which means we're going to have to spend a lot more time in the garage. Now, that's no problem for me. That gives me a good excuse to crack on with some of the detailing videos that I wanted to get out. Unfortunately, it does mean that some of the events that we were due to attend have been cancelled. So for those that aren't already aware, the Star Bikers Egg Run has been cancelled. We're not able to attend that this year. And then the Autobright 15th anniversary birthday bash has been cancelled as well. Now, that's a little bit of sad news. However, the guys at Autobright have been so kind as to supply me with some lovely freebies, and Dale, the guy who works there, has reached out and asked if I'll do some review videos. So what I'd do is I thought I'd share the little package that I've received. It's the first unboxing video that I have ever done, so please bear with me while I get you all set up. And do you know what? If it turns out pants, we can always learn from this, and leave me a comment below as to how you'd like me to improve an unboxing video, because I'm sure there's going to be plenty ongoing in the future, considering I can't leave the house. So let's take a look at what the guys have sent me and what we will be reviewing in the upcoming videos. So first of all, they have sent me a new Hellshine Mini Reaper. Now, we do already have one of those, but you know what, you can't go without buffing towels. You really can't. For those that are really into the detailing, you know that you can go through these a couple of times during a wash, so the more that you've got on hand, the better. Now, these are a couple of things that I am really excited to try. As I said, the paintwork on the GSXR is in dire need of restoration. Now, I do want to do a full restoration on that, and I do want to get a respray on it and a refresh over summer. That will obviously depend on whether I can leave the house and go and get some supplies for that. But in the meantime, it gives us a perfect excuse to test this. So this is Autobright Correct It. Now, this is something that you usually apply with a DA. However, not everybody obviously has got one of those. So Autobright have decided to supply their own hand buffing pads. So this is a green pad, which is for minor scratches and swirls. So hopefully what we can do is we can do a bit of a test on the GSXR and see how we get on with that. Now, they have also sent me, I am a sucker for stickers. So for those that don't know, I like to collect a few stickers. Now, I don't have a lot at the moment, but that is an ongoing collection, and we've got a few over there. So the fact that they've sent me that is very, very welcome. Now, I'm not going to put that up at the moment because I may be refreshing the garage and having a bit of a change around, and what I don't want to do is I don't want to put it somewhere that later on in the line I'm going to have to take it off, because obviously stickers are only used once. The other thing they've sent me is one of their key rings. Now, the key ring that we got with the XV950 is just a dealership tag, and we definitely could do with a new key ring on there. So thanks, Dale, for that. I'll definitely be using that on the XV950. So that's all that we have been sent, but obviously we have a massive variety of detailing products that we have, specifically Autobright ones, which gives them a perfect excuse to put them to the test and let you guys know a true review on how to use them and how well they work. Now, like I said to you before, all of these products are specifically aimed technically at cars, but at the end of the day, bikes still have paint, metalwork, plastic, so I don't see why we can't use them on the bikes. And I think this is a great opportunity to test the durability of those. Yes, okay, we can't get out and we can't ride the bike, so we can't see, how they perform from a protection level point of view. But we can certainly see what results we can get by using them. And definitely on this GSXR, unfortunately, I'm embarrassed to say that I own this bike because it is just dire. Absolutely dire. So, do you know what? As a channel, we are going to survive this. We are going to push on. I'll definitely find content for you guys. A lot of you are stuck at home, so you will definitely need something to watch, and I'm hoping that it'll be these videos. So if you haven't already done so, please go push that like and subscribe button. Get involved, comment, let me know what you want to see, and I'll go and try and do that for you. I want to make this channel community. I want to make it somewhere where you guys can interact. As I've said, I'm part of the UK Bolt Riders page, and those guys are absolutely fantastic. Why don't we make that? Why don't you join my Facebook page, and we can use that as a bit of a community to get together and support each other during this time of need. So this is just a quick short video. I don't want to ramble on too much. What I'll do is we'll definitely be getting some detailing videos out. But like I said, if you figure out something that you want from me, leave a comment down below and I'll definitely see if it's possible. So thanks for watching, guys. Keep yourself safe during this pandemic, and I'll catch you again soon.